Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mo and I'm back again for another video. So it is currently 1 p.m. The 29th of April 2024, and I'm just making this video to give you guys a quick update of what's happened so far. It's currently Monday as well. So I took a trade this morning. Let me just show you guys the trade. Yeah, our account is down to 92,800. So we have $800 left before we blow this account, but I'm not gonna let that happen. I'm gonna try my best and use proper risk management, and I'm gonna explain to you all what just happened. So I took this trade about 4 hours ago ish. Yeah, and let me see, where is it at? Right here, NZD USD. So I took this trade 2 lots. We lost $324. So let me explain to you all the trade. So this is the trade right here that I took, the first one right here. I just left it there so I can see my mistake and record it and learn from it. So basically, I was waiting for price to come to the area of interest and then give me my rejection pattern to enter the trade. And so I was looking at the charts all morning and I had an alarm and it kept hitting my alarm over and over and over again. So, I clicked onto the 15-minute time frame right here. Well, you can see it on a 30-minute too. But I wasn't even looking at this part right here. But if you look at it, you can see a head and shoulders pattern right here. So it gave me a head and shoulders pattern right here. So I'm like, okay, cool. It broke below strong bearish momentum. So I'm like, okay, cool. It's going to come back and retest it. But instead of coming back to retest it, it never did. So I went to the 30-minute and I just kept looking at it, kept watching it. And then when price broke below here, I entered the trade right here. And then it drove it down a little bit. And then price, had a pullback and then came back down again. So I was feeling confident. And then, I didn't check the trade for a while. And then later on, I checked it. And price was having a pullback. So I'm like, okay, cool. On the 30-minute and the 1 hour, well, actually, yeah. It was having a pullback because price needs to have a pullback when it makes a high low. So have a pullback before continuing to drop. So I'm like, okay, cool. But price just kept pulling back and pulling back and pulling back. So I had put 2 lots on this, which was $500. So what I did was I just cut my losses short because before price comes in, hits my stop loss. So I will take this trade again. I'm gonna wait for it to literally give me a better signal. You can see it's about to form another head and shoulders on a 30-minute and a 1 hour. So you can see right here. So I'm waiting for this exact trade to play out again, or gonna wait for it to come to the area of interest and then just look for it. So I'm basically looking for the same trade again. And hopefully this daily candle, if it does close here, which would be perfect because then it'll open tomorrow, wake up a little bit, and then fall. So I'm not worried about that. Euro GPB. So literally, it was bullish. The weekend and the daily were bullish, but as you can tell, they're currently bearish. So I have a new trade setup. When this candlestick closes on the daily tonight, I hope it closes somewhere around here. It's gonna pull back around here. And then the candlestick is gonna open up. Tomorrow it's gonna wake up and then continue to fall. And I literally put this at the next area right here. So on the daily, this area right here. So I'm waiting. I'm hoping for this candlestick to close. As you can tell, it just broke below, so it's gonna come back and retest. When price breaks below, it always comes back, retests, and it continues to fall. So that's what I'm waiting on. And daily candle might close around here, open up, wake in, and then continue to fall. So that's my prediction. I will be looking out for this trade as well. And then NZD CAD literally the same thing as Euro GBP, just the opposite. Price broke above. It's bullish on the daily and the 4 hours. So what am I waiting for? I'm literally just waiting for price to come back here, retest it again, and then continue to the upside. So yeah, those are the trades I'm looking for currently. All the other ones just didn't play out. Let me just show y'all. Yeah, this one never waited for the break below, never broke below. USD CAD. I was waiting for this one all morning. I was watching this one in NZD USD the whole time, and it just wasn't not giving me that signal. So I'm still watching it, just don't really care about it. AED USD. Honestly, I should have taken it last night when it came and retested it, but market had literally just opened, and I didn't want to risk, going into drawdown and waking up, so I didn't take the trade. But it's all good. There's more trades that are coming. And then this one still hasn't pulled back to area interest. But like I said, I'm focused on these trades currently, and I'm gonna take the best one. I will put 500 again, proper risk management, and I will take the best trade. And yeah, I'll keep updated on that. Alright, so YouTube, literally this is the same video as before. I literally just came back and edited, and I was editing it, and I realized, might as well give you guys a second update. So it's still the 29th of April, 2024. It's currently 7:34 p.m. and I'm just give you an update. So market did close exactly how I wanted it to on NZD USD. So now we're literally just waiting for the rejection, and it's happening right now. So with the lower time frames, you can still see this head and shoulders pattern right here. So I put my alarm right below the neckline. So when it breaks here, I know it's gonna, continue to the downside. And as well as that, it's gonna come back when price breaks the low here. So it's gonna come down and then retest and then continue selling. And then at this point, it's gonna retest the EMA as well, and so on and so forth. So that's cool. Let me show y'all the EMA I have. Let me just go back. Sorry. Let's go 50. 500 is wild, but that's not it. All right, cool. So yeah, still the head and shoulders pattern. You can see it on the 30-minute and 1 hour and 2 hour. So yep, just waiting for this to break and then enter this trade. So cool. Euro GPV, literally the opposite, price broke below, so I'm waiting for it to come back, pull back to this area right here, retest it, and then continue to the downside. So I'm thinking this candlestick is gonna come in, wick in, and then continue to sell, or it's gonna come in and it's probably gonna close up here, and then Wednesday we can see the potential downside. But I'm still just watching. I put my alarm there, so price will pull back there, and yeah. And then NZD CAD, literally the opposite of Euro GBP. Price broke above, so I'm waiting for it to come back and retest this area right here. I don't know what happened this here, but I'm waiting for it to come back and retest it, and then continue to the upside. So you can see that there's a double bottom right here. Broke above, you're gonna come back and retest it again, and then continue. So yeah, those are the three markets I'm currently looking at. The other ones, I don't really care too much. They're not doing what I want them to do. Market is not giving me the signs. This one, USD CAD is giving it to me, but I don't know. Price is consolidating right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days, price has consolidated right here. So I don't know how I feel about that. And the likelihood of price jumping up is potential. Like it's good. It's good. But I'm just watching this market. I'm just watching it. All day it's been playing around against my house. So here's AD USD. Waiting for it to pull back here, but it's not really doing it. So let me move this up here. These are the three markets I'm looking at. USD CAD is just there. Potential, fork setup, but just waiting on that. But yeah, these are the three that I'm looking for. And I'll keep you guys updated. I still haven't taken another trade since today, so we're only down $300. I have about $800 to play with. So yeah, we're gonna get this challenge. Let's get it going. Let's keep going. All right, you have a good one.